Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to explain to you guys how Getresponse works successfully in 2023 and what you can use Getresponse to do, what you can use Getresponse for, and how you can use Getresponse to boost your business or your client's business. Good. So right now, jump on your browser, type keyword Getresponse, as you can see on my screen, or you can just go straight to my video description, click on the link there. It's going to lead you directly to Getresponse sign up landing page. So once you get to that landing page, fill in your details, then sign up. Once you sign up, you automatically log in to Getresponse and you'll be on your dashboard just like mine here, right here. So you can see I'm on my dashboard here on Getresponse. But in this video, I'm just going to explain to you the usefulness of all these things, but I won't create them yet in this video. But in my upcoming video, I will explain every one of them in detail and design them in order for you to see and how to like them and how to make them work and what you can also benefit and what your friends can benefit from them. Good. So keep watching guys and stay tuned. So guys, before I dive right into today's tutorial, I really want you to help me and support me with something. Kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and comment in the comment section if you feel like asking me any questions or you love my video, anything you feel like sharing with me. Feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you. So guys, the first thing you have to think of is Getresponse. You're going to use it basically for email marketing. And email marketing, many of you have heard about email marketing, but most of you don't really know how email marketing works. So right now I'm going to take a A4 paper that I wrote everything I want to explain to you guys in this video. So please bear it with me. I like to explain it through the page. That's why I wrote something out in this A4 paper to explain to you guys very well, and for you to know full and in-depth details about everything, not just for you to watch this video without not knowing what email marketing is. So email simply means electronic and mail means email. Both of them mean the same thing as electrical message. Email marketing, the last aspect is marketing. This is a way to show or display product or service to the general public in order to convince and not to confuse them to buy your product or your service. So you simply know what email marketing is right now. Email marketing is simply sending or constructing a message or a banner or a flyer, anything, just to catch the audience attention in order to convert them to consistent buyers or audience to view your service, and they will eventually convert. Good. You keep hearing the word convert, but you don't know the meaning of conversion. Conversion means sales, and when I say visitors, it's also the same thing as traffic. So whenever you hear the word traffic, it's also the visitors we are trying to say. Good. So right now we dive down to the word campaign. Campaign means sending a message about your product or service to people in order to convince them to buy your product or use your service. So now you know what campaign means. If someone tells you, I will do email campaign for you, you already know what the person is trying to say. The person is trying to say they will blast an email campaign to your targeted audience using your leads or your leads generated from your store, either through ads on Instagram or any social media ads that you want to get those leads, or your normal leads that in your file on your store that is integrated with the campaign. So that is all about that. So right now go down to analytics. After you blasted your campaign, after a few days, you have to check the insight. Insight is also called analytics. They use them interchangeably because they both mean the same thing. Analytics is simply knowing, like simply as the number of clicks, open rate, span rate, bounce rate of the campaign you blasted targeted audience. So what I mean by all these things, I will explain them one by one. First thing I will explain now is open rate. Open rate is an email marketing metric that measures the percentage rate at which email is opened. Like if you blast campaign to 300 audience and just 50 people open the email for the past 5 days you blasted the campaign, this open rate will allow you to know the amount of audience that check the email you sent to them. And the next thing now I'm going to dive down to is click rate. Click rate is the number of clicks on your ads or your campaign by the audience you targeted. The amount of people that click on the ads on any social media ad you run, you will see them right down here in the click rate option. And the last but not the least is bounce rate. Okay, bounce rate and spam rate. So I will explain both now. Bounce rate simply means the mail that popped up in the audience email and appear for few minutes and also disappear. This is caused by most times they are sending bulk campaign at once. For example, like 3,000 audience. So mostly at least 2,000 audience will get this email successfully in their Gmail, while at least 1,000, even below 1,000, bounce rate will occur. It will definitely occur. So it is normal whenever you see you're having almost 50 bounce rate, it's just accept it that that's how it's supposed to go. So the last thing now is spam rate. Spam rate is a message that is sent out there to the audience, but they won't see it in their inbox or their Gmail. Then you'll see some audience complaining, oh my god, I went into my Gmail, I'm seeing almost 92 spam messages. This is caused by you sending, as I said earlier, a bulk email to targeted audience. But that's why we regulate the campaign we blast. For example, you said, as a client, you said, I want to blast campaign to 3,000 audience. We will advise you to blast campaign to 500 or 1,000 at once in a day in order to prevent what? So much spam rate and so much bounce rate. So if you are a client right now watching this video, or you have a store and you have a professional managing it for you, do try to understand what they are saying, because most of whatever they are saying in the chat or whatever freelancer platform they are using, they're telling you the truth and they are trying to prevent you from losing a lot of audience that should convert in spam or bounce rate. So good. So now there are some terms used in email marketing I really want you guys to know right now. The first thing is hypertext markup language, HTML. You have heard of HTML, but you don't know the meaning of it. The full meaning is hypertext markup language, and SMM, social media marketing. So once you hear this in this video, this should not be new to you anymore, because you already know it now and it's going to stick to your brain. I'm very, very sure of that. So the next thing is CRM. If someone said they have a good CRM on their freelance platform and they have built so many reputations with different and various clients worldwide, do try to understand what they're saying. What they're saying is customer relationship management. They have a very good and effective customer relationship management. That is what they're trying to say to you. Not that they are trying to say something you don't understand. You understand now? Good. So the last but not the least thing that I'm going to say in terms used for email marketing is MLM, multi-level marketing. If I tell you I'm going to use multi-level marketing to boost your business and leverage your business sales and everything within a few months, just know that I'm going to work on email marketing, social media marketing, every marketing I could do, even sales funnel setup, everything. I will run everything successfully, and this will be costly. I must tell you, it will be costly because of why? We're going to be running ads on social media, we're going to be blasting campaigns. We as a freelancer out there, we also have time to do every other thing. For which to dedicate your time to do your project, you also have to be ready and consider that, hey, this person is working for me, they also deserve this. So do give your freelancers tips whenever they do a perfect job for you, because not every professional out there are ready to give quality projects and do perfect jobs. I'm telling you this because I know this. I'm also a freelancer and I make all my clients happy whenever I do their projects, and most times I make sure I try as much as possible to deliver more than their expectations. So if you're a freelancer watching this video, take these tips and use them in 2023. Leverage your business higher. So these things I'm going to say in this video also are call to action. There are so many call to actions that are used in this pop-up. As you can see, this pop-up, landing page, contact, autorespond, and newsletter. There are some call to actions that are used here. The first call to action, I'm going to just tell you a few call to actions, that there's millions of call to action you can use out there. The first call to action is sign up button, learn more, try it, click it, get it, see more, sign in, read more, click here to download now. You see that every time whenever you want to download an extension in your Chrome, you want to download something, for example, you want to download Spotify, you guys are jam a lot, you listen to so many music. You are going to see this whenever you want to do anything on your phone browser. So right now, the two things that I'm going to explain last but not the least in this video, list and lead. List are email Excel files. It could be an Excel file, it could be any file, it could be in PDF form, that are always contain only email. Take note guys, list contains only email, and in lead are also email documents, but they contain many other informations like full name, surname, address, phone number, email, age, gender. You understand that kind of thing, guys? That's the first thing you're going to see here whenever you click on this link from a video description. Sign up on email or on Getresponse. The first thing you're going to see is this page called, whenever I click, as you can see on my screen, I'm clicking on sign up for free, and you're going to see a landing page right now. As you can see, this page here is a landing page because of why it's containing three options here. It's containing full name, email, and password. As you can see, this page here is going to collect, what do you know it's going to collect? Good. You're going to collect your lead because your full name is here and your email is here. Same thing, your password is here. And when you set up your profile, when you go deep to your profile here, when you click on this, as you can see, this profile, once you click on this profile, once you click on manage account, you could select your gender, your age, everything. You can do it down there. So Pinterest do so many things. I will explain them one by one in my next video. As you can see, email marketing, autoresponder, website builder, landing page, form and pop-up forms, reports like analytics, insight of the campaign you blasted, e-commerce tools. You can create your store with this, automation, webinar like a video conference. You and your clients or you and your team, you want to do a video conference, you can use Getresponse. Conversion funnel like sales funnel, paid ads, you can run ads on Getresponse. Chats, you can link your social media account there and make sure you set up an autoresponder that will automatically respond to anybody that messages you on your social media without you being active at that moment. So where to notification? These I will explain them one by one in my next video. Files and images, integration and API. This integration, for example, you want to integrate your Shopify store or your WooCommerce store with Getresponse. This is where you have to do it. But if you want to integrate your client store with you, you let them know they should create a Getresponse account from wherever their location is, and they should purchase a plan on Getresponse to have access to these other things in 2 days. So you will not have any issue with getting this plan done, because if you create this in your own location and they are paying through you on a freelance platform, which is going to take a long period, you have to wait after the fund clears before you're able to do this. So that's why I'm advising you as a freelancer to tell them to get this done in their own site, webhook and web contact. So thank you guys, I really appreciate the time, I really appreciate everything, and I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Stay safe.